Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
True Tone adapts your iPhone display white point using the ambient light sensor. It measures color temperature and adjusts white balance continuously. This creates a more natural-looking screen under varied lighting conditions. You can find the toggle at Settings, Display and Brightness True Tone. True Tone reduces harsh blue light shifts versus a fixed white point. It differs from night shift because it reacts in real time to ambient light. True Tone runs on iPhone 8 and later models with the necessary sensor hardware. Turn True Tone off, wait 3 seconds, then turn it on and watch the white background. Open a plain white page or note and look for subtle warmer or cooler shifts. Use a photo of skin or a white paper to see natural tone changes. Compare your iPhone to another device to confirm real-time warmth differences. If True Tone is working, you will notice immediate shifts as room light changes. Test in daylight and under warm indoor bulbs for obvious comparison. Update iOS and restart the iPhone to resolve common True Tone problems. Remove screen protectors thicker than 0.5 mm or cases that block the ambient sensor. Check that auto brightness is enabled and that Settings, Display and Brightness shows the True Tone toggle. If True Tone still fails, reset all settings to refresh display calibration and sensor permissions. Finally, test in different lighting and compare again. Contact Apple support if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.